And the race is on. Musashi from the outside is getting better. Afternoon Delight Danori inside Street Bump. Brushing up is entry number 7, Dancing Storms. Oh, Waki, Mr. Integrity. And Taylor Made is running at the tail of the field by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. Musashi, followed now by Street Bump. Getting better is racing from the outside. Dancing Storm running in forward by some 4 lengths as they race the final corner. Street Bump, Musashi, Danori inside. Getting better is running in third and moving up by the rallies. Oh, Waki, Musashi, Street Bump fighting it out for the lead. Getting better. Oh, Waki and Dancing Storms. Musashi this time by some 2 lines. Street Bump and finally Musashi, Street Bump getting better. Oh, Waki, Dancing Storm, Mr. Integrity, Afternoon Delight, Taylor Made, and Dumadagundong.